Why are text messages the #1 source of evidence in family law cases? Because they usually tell a very clear story. I am 100% of the opinion that when you're texting the other party, you really need to be cognizant and think about when you're typing that message, when you're in heat of the moment, in the passionate moment, think about whether or not you would be okay with a judge reading that in court and determining that that's your communication style, or that's how you talk to the other parent, or that's how you talk to your soon-to-be ex-husband. Whatever it is, always think about that when you're sending text messages. It is a written form of communication. It is 100% admissible. And the more important part of this video that I wanted to highlight is that I've seen it countless times cause people to lose custody. Why? Because there are two types of custody, as we have discussed in previous other videos: physical custody and legal custody. Legal custody surrounds the decision making. Usually by default, parents are awarded joint legal custody of their children to make long-term decisions about the children. However, in very rare circumstances, the court can give one party what's called tie-breaking authority, or they can give them legal custody altogether and not give the other party joint legal custody. I see this in cases where communication is a problem, because obviously if you guys are going to have a joint legal custodial order, you're going to have to be able to communicate with each other. So if a text message shows that you're unable to communicate, that is going to be the telltale of the court's decision. I want you to know this because text messages need to be written and perceived like they're going to be read in court one day. So make sure when you're texting the other party that you're doing so in a way that you are okay with a judge determining or using that as a basis for determining custody. I also encourage you to confirm things in text messages, to note things in text messages, to use it as a source of communication. If you don't have a co-parenting app with the other party, a text message is a great tool, and it has the historical data of all of the text messages to show over time how the tone of the messages goes up, or the curse words go up, or whatever happens as an exchange between you and the other party. I wanted to give you guys that tidbit. If you're in need of legal services in the state of Maryland or in the District of Columbia, please give my office a call, 240-493-9116, and www.amurphylegal.com. Thank you.